JACTO technology has been developed at the National Laboratory for Energy and Geology in Portugal.
In the frame of MEDOLICO, we evaluated the technical viability of the JACTO technology. That is, the JACTO reactor incorporated with an ultrafiltration membrane system. This technology was tested for the aerobic biological treatment of olive meal wastewater using the microbial consortium that is present and adapted to the effluent.
The reactor has a cylindrical configuration, and the degassing tank is placed on the top of the cylindrical column. A cover was placed to minimize the effect of foaming and to place the probes for data acquisition. A cross-flow ultrafiltration membrane was incorporated to minimize the biomass washout effect and to obtain the treated effluent as permeate. A centrifuge recirculation pump guarantees high-speed passage of the liquid through the nozzle and, as consequence, large amounts of external air is inhaled through the air inlet of the Venturi ejector. This is a jet aeration system that combines efficient oxygen transfer with high turbulent mixing for treatment of wastewaters. The reactor is fed through a peristaltic pump from a reservoir containing the olive meal wastewater to be treated. The aerated effluent passed from the column reactor to the degassing tank, from where it is recycled, again through the nozzle of the ejector Venturi, into the column reactor. A cross-flow ultrafiltration membrane was incorporated into the system to obtain the ultrafiltration permeate. Probes for measurement of pH, dissolved oxygen and temperature are placed on the top of the reactor. These parameters are continuously registered during the biological treatment in the data logger with the control terminal.
Raw olive meal wastewater is an acidic effluent with pH less than 5. During the treatment with the reactor, pH increases to values higher than 6, and dissolved oxygen should maintain higher than 70% of the saturation for good aeration of the reactor. Temperature self-maintained around 40 degrees.
In the scope of MEDOLICO, the JACTO.MBR technology was scaled up to 1,000 liters reactor and was installed at the Jordan University of Science and Technology. This 1,000-liter reactor maintained the vertical configuration, and the tank was constructed with a rectangular base. The interior compartment incorporates flat plate type ultrafiltration membranes, and this prototype has been tested for olive meal wastewater treatment. One of the main constraints that are very often imposed to olive oil millers is the need to process higher volumes of effluents in short periods of time. So, the main operational parameter studied was hydraulic retention time, that is related with the organic loading rate to feed the reactor. The efficiency of this technology was considered in terms of removal of organic matter as chemical oxygen demand and total phenols. Working with the 100-liter pilot reactor, an efficiency of 90% and 80% was reached for COD and total phenols removal, respectively, at the hydraulic retention time of 6 days. The preliminary experiments obtained with the scale-up of the reactor to 1,000 liters give promising results to the olive meal wastewater treatment, with an efficiency of 80% for COD removal under batch conditions. MEDOLICO Project show that olive mills with lower capacity can utilize the JACTO technology for olive meal wastewater treatment. Despite the final color, this permeate can be discharged in wastewater treatment plants or used for irrigation purposes due to its neutral pH. This type of reactor has good oxygen transfer rates with low energy costs and, due to the vertical configuration, occupies less land area, resulting in significant savings in installation. It has been confirmed that using a biological treatment such as JACTO.MBR, there is no need for further dilutions of OMW, meaning water savings, and additional pH neutralization of effluent, chemical savings, before further applications such as soil irrigation or discharge in wastewater treatment plants. MEDOLICO Project showed that the olive mills with lower capacity can utilize the JACTO.MBR technology for olive meal wastewater treatment.